Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to fix high ping and lag spikes in League of Legends. So if you're facing high ping issue and lag spikes in League of Legends, firstly, you have to check if there is a certain program in the background that's drawing a lot of network. In order to check that, right click on the taskbar, then go to Task Manager, then maximize it, then click on this network button on the top side. Then it will sort everything by their network usage. See which of the applications are using the most amount of memory that you do not need. Just right click on them, then click on End Task. After that, go to the search panel of Windows. Now you need to check your update status for Windows. So go to Settings and click on Open. After that, go to the Windows Update section from the left hand side. Then make sure that your Windows is up to date. If any update is available for you to download, just click on the download and install button and the update will be installed successfully. After checking your update status, go to the search panel again. Now search for settings, then click on open. After coming in here, go to the network and internet settings, then go to the advanced network settings, then go to network reset. Now reset your network by clicking on reset now, which will in turn make every setting to their factory default, which will solve a lot of issues for you. Now finally, you can try and change the DNS for your PC. In order to do that, go to the network icon on the bottom right hand side of your screen, then right click and go to network and internet settings. After that, go to the Ethernet settings. Then under the DNS server assignment, go to edit. From here, switch to the Google's DNS server. That will be 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Then click on the save button. Then exit. After doing these steps, your network issue will be solved and you can enjoy League of Legends like before.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.